Lang.
Miley, Devon, S. Donggon. What letter is next? Again, who is letter? Akin.
Number 3 yung letter M. Number 3 yung letter M. Wait na muna.
Erase mo muna.
Waiting ako?
Erase
Sa
mo
labas?
muna. Erase mo muna. Tita Fra. Ali, okay, misak lakon muna pakinisak.
Ikaw lang mama. Ay, ikaw lang lola pa.
Siyempre, ayun.
Kyra, letter number 3, M. M.
Who's your eraser?
Paano ma-video si Sa?
Ano yung erase mo?
Hello, that's
Number 4, C.
Do it. Just do it.
4, C.
You listen to the teacher and tita. I know, gano'n ang
Oh, pero rin aliwa.
You write your name first, Sa.
Zach, you write your name.
Okay.
Number 5, R.
Bilisan mo na. Make it faster. Paano siya i-video pala?
Okay.
Wala na.
Zach, pangalan mo muna. Sige.
Resume.
And then letter number 6, F. F, Kyra. G. Q.
Kasya siya dyan. Sige. Kasya. Akin na.
Q.
Lagyan ko muna. Oh, para kasya.
H. K. K. W.
And then you answer na.
Zach, do not answer first, huh? I will take a video for you. So, small letter W. X. P.
Just continue answer.
N. N.
You write mo nga yung letter B. B as in boy. Big letter and then the small one.
Ni-write mo na kanina yung N dyan kanina. O, N. Ano ba yung N?
Number 2, S.
Small letter N. D.
Sa, si, S.
D. Sundog.
The small. Ano nga?
Y.
Number 3.
Y.
M. M. M.
A. Hindi nila dinadalang ganun sa baba yung mga small. A.
Four.
Kyra, what is the last letter of the alphabet? What letter is the last? What is the letter?
C.
The alphabet.
C.
Over there.
Is for cat.
Yes. Ayan, sir na. Ayan, right na.
Cat. Kaisa ka na. R. Number 5. Letter R.
Like my name?
Oh,
Riley.
sige. Just like my name ka. Riley pala yun.
Finish. O, next to the
6 is letter F.
See?
F. Number 6. F. Is for flower.
Kyra, anong number kasi ito?
Hey. What's that one?
3, 4.
Madam yung nag-answer siya. Sige po.
Anong number ito?
Oh. Yung small F.
What's that?
Ano yung kasunod ng 4?
Ay, hindi po pwede. F.
F.
Oh, yung pa-curve.
Ito nahirapan dyan, Zach. Sa kanila. Sige.
Yung ganun. Ganun. F.
F.
Ah.
Tapos,
Tapos? Yung small F.
Ayan, ito.
Ay, wala akong titingin dyan ah. Bawal titingin dyan. Ah, sige, sulat mo na yung F. Small F.
F. Where's that?
Huwag mo na i-erase yung small F. Number 7 is letter J.
J.
Is for jar. J.
Jacket.
Oh, jacket. Oh, sige. Ay, wag kang tumingin doon. Bawal doon. Number 8. Q. Number 8. Letter Q.
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 Ano number? Yes.
Number 9. H.
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 Seven.
11. Letter K.
Wala ka pang susulat dyan.
Why there's no 10?
Letter K.
Letter
Do
K.
that first. Let's finish these two girls, ha? You answer that later. Okay. Next, Kyra. Oh, what letter comes after 9?
Just wait, Zach, ha?
Yes.
Yeah.
Number 12. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay.
W.
It's same.
W.
W.
Kyra, you continue. Count first before you write the answer.
Next.
Number X.
X.
Next one.
P.
P.
Magaling pareho yung panghawakan natin.
Patay tayo dyan sa itong dalawang ito.
Next.
Number 15. N.
Yes.
N.
Parehas kayo magaling.
N.
N.
No, is na, ne. N. N.
Ganda ni Kyra, no?
Number 16 is letter D.
D.
D is for dog. D.
D.
Next.
Number 17, Y.
Y.
Number 19 is A, is for apple. A.
A. A is for apple.
Oh, you write letter A na.
Ito na yung
And A is for ant.
16.
Ah, oh, sige. Just continue, Riley. Inip na si Sak. Oh, number 19 is letter Z. Is for zebra.
Zebra.
Oh. Turn the next page. You count and then you write the missing number. What number is this?
3, 4, 5,
Oh, you write number.
5.
So, just continue, ha? Oh, you said 5. You write 5.
I think 5. How to write 5?
Hmm. Sige.
Ano number na to?
Yung ganyan.
Ano kasunod ng 4?
Hmm.
Hindi, 4. This is only 4. 4.
Baliktad ang 5.
Ay, baliktad.
Yun.
Baliktad. Baliktad pala. Tita, tita, tita.
And then 4,
Ganun.
5, 6.
You write number 5 na. Paano ba? Baliktad kasi.
Ganyan.
Oh.
Ganyan.
Ah.
Like you.
Oh, you find number 5 yan.
8,
Saan yung may number 5 dyan?
9.
Ito.
9.
9 only. 9, 10.
Sige. Oh, what's next?
7.
Oh, 7. Sige, answer this one.
7. Ayan.
Ay, ini naman. Asan yung 7? Tinitingnan lang natin.
10. Oh, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Mas magaling kaya lang sa pagsagot sa test paper na yun.
Ingat na ingat ito, oh. Just focus on your paper, ah. Isang instruction ko lang, oh.
Yung ba yung sa unang natin sinabi?
Kasi kahit ito sa
Ako
una
siya
mo.
na yung bahala.
Pareha sila.
Don't write your name. What number? 5. You count 5 objects and then you circle the 5 objects.
Oh, you play first, ah.
What is this? Oh, sige. You count 5 objects. You count 5 balls. Then you
1, 2,
circle.
3,
Put
4.
a circle. Big circle. Up to 5 objects. Up to 5 balls. Kulang ng isa, Kyra. Kulang ng isa, Kyra. Okay, remove that. Erase mo muna.
Ito yung madam mo. Wala na akong isa. Isa na lang din ng ano.
Ganda, nasa yung 7 dyan. Nasa yung 7. Ito, count muna. Oh,
7.
number 3. Yes, it's correct. 4.
Sige. Finish it. Finish mo na.
Next.
Bahala siya. Punta lang sana kayo sa ibang section. Hindi na kayo mag...
This one.
Go, Riley. Finish na.
Anong letter yan? What sound is it?
Tingnan mo,
What
napatambling-tambling.
sound? What is the object for? Yes. You put a check. Put a check. What sound is this, Karen? What is the object for? What is the object for?
O sige na. Huwag ka na maglaro.
What sound is this? What sound? What sound? What is the object for? Yes, check it. What letter? What sound? What is the object for? Yes, you put a check. Letters, what letters? What sound?
Oh, you count 5 object and then you circle the 5 object.
This
What number is this,
glass
Riley?
and this is a duck.
5.
Oh, you count 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, only
What
5.
letter?
Only 5.
What sound?
It's 8.
No, it's 5 lang. 5. Count mo. 1.
Oh, what is that? Donut or egg?
5. Oh, 5. And then you circle it. 5 object only. 5 object.
What letter?
3.
What sound? What is the...
Up to 5. 5.
What
5.
sound is
Yes.
a book or a flower?
7.
Then you put a check. What is your answer?
7.
That's what. This is
Seven.
letter.
7 umbrella. Only 7.
This is letter.
You count
What
again.
letter is that? G. And what sound is
I
G?
am in 7.
You count again. You count
And
again.
what is the
One,
object
two,
for G
three,
or the
four,
sound of G?
7.
Oh.
Umbrella or
What is it?
garbage? Yes.
Mhm.
The check next to the garbage.
You the next.
4.
No?
Okay lang. Lagyan mo ng nawawalang metals. Wait lang, Kyra. Bibigyan ko pala. May fruit siya. Ba't mo binigyan siya?
4. 4.
Sige, it's up to you.
Ano?
1.
You add another petals. You can add another petals. Like this or like this. This is petal. So add like that.
6. Did I 6?
Hmm. Sige, it's okay.
It's done. Tapos, titingnan kung gaano kalinis yung kanilang ginawa.
A is for? You put a check.
Apple.
Check. Big check.
O, dun ka muna si Yalo naman eh. Si Mr. Batong Bakal naman eh.
B is for ball.
Mag-friends kayo? Are you friends? Yeah. And then, when you grow up, this is your girlfriend.
C is for cat.
Oh, sige.
Ay, ni Kyra. Matawa si Kyra. Dito ka.
C
Zach.
is for
Ivan.
Oh, dito na siya.
duck. Is duck.
Oh, this is duck.
Nasabot mo.
Let's take a floaty duck.
Oh, sige, just continue, Riley. Bawal madaldal kasi ilang minuto na tayo, oh. Ano, 17.
O, letter. Wait lang. May sinabi na ba akong letter?
Egg. Ayan yung egg
Okay,
or not?
Zach, go.
Donut yan.
Letter B.
E is
Yes,
for?
that's the first one.
Oh, you put a check.
Letter S.
Madam daw.
You want to go inside, outside?
Flower.
Or you just call mommy? But, do not run, ha?
E is for
You call
goddess.
only mommy. Ay, Kyra. Number 3, letter M.
You throw the missing part.
M. You call mommy.
Mangungopia yan.
Hindi, kung ano yung sinasabi, letter M. M, you write letter M.
Oo,
Diyan ka
oo,
muna,
oo.
mommy. Diyan ka muna, mommy. Oh, you write letter M.
next
M.
You can add petals.
level.
Petals like this.
M. Zach, M. You know what is M? Oh, if you
Another
don't
one
know,
leaf.
If you don't know, go to the next number, number 4. Number 4, sige, what is the small letter for M?
Just continue.
M, you write letter M. Number 4, letter C.
How about your
R.
umbrella?
R.
Finish.